In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. If you need to display data that changes very quickly or spans a wide range of values, a semi-log graph can make your chart much easier to read. In Google Sheets, this is done by applying a logarithmic scale to one axis, and in this example, we'll be using the vertical axis. First, open your spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Make sure your data is already organized in a clean table with labels if needed, since Google Sheets uses that information to build the chart automatically. Starting with a well-structured dataset will help the chart come out correctly the first time. Next, select the entire data range that you want to include in the graph. Be sure to highlight all relevant columns and rows, including headers if your table has them. This step is important because the chart will only use the cells you select, so taking a moment to confirm the range can save you from having to redo the chart later. Once your data is selected, go up to the top menu and click Insert. This is where Google Sheets keeps the tools for adding visual elements to your spreadsheet, including charts. From the Insert menu, choose Chart. Google Sheets will immediately generate a chart based on your selected data. Don't worry if the first version doesn't look exactly how you want yet. The important part is creating the chart first so you can access the editing options. After the chart appears, look for the Chart Editor panel and click the Customize tab. This is where you can control the appearance and formatting of the chart, including axis settings. Inside the Customize section, expand the vertical axis options. Since a semi-log graph uses a logarithmic scale on one axis, this is the section you'll need to adjust. In this case, we're applying the log scale to the vertical axis, which is the value axis on the chart. Now, check the box labeled Log Scale. As soon as you enable it, the chart will update to reflect the new scaling. This can make patterns in your data much easier to see, especially when smaller values would otherwise be compressed near the bottom of the chart. Finally, close the chart editor. Your semi-log graph is now set up and ready to use. That's all it takes to create a semi-log graph in Google Sheets. If your chart doesn't look quite right, double-check that the correct data range was selected before you inserted the chart. With the log scale applied, you should now have a clearer way to visualize data with large differences in magnitude.